Alright, the new blades for this Air King boxing has arrived yesterday. Basically, the original one that came with were too light and not pitch deep enough, so I got these Wind Machine blades, which the major improvement is it's a bit sturdier, making it a bit heavier, giving it a deeper sound, and there's a little hole on the hub which allows the front of the motor to breathe, and the better pitching improves the airflow with this grill design. So yeah, start on low speed. And starting to blow papers around over there. While it is still loud, the performance has definitely been improved by the Wind Machine blades. So yeah, that'll be it for this video of this Air King fan.